Welcome back. This video will explain the Audiogram Display area in HearForm Pro. Let's head over to the display screen. The display screen is designed as a tool for you to use for educational or counseling purposes. If a patient can see your monitor, then you may want to use this larger screen format to be able to show them their hearing loss. Now on the left, we have this set to a standard audiogram, but you may have set up in the setup area different kinds of visuals like this, a larger, wider colored line here for both right and left ears. In this case, it's showing ears instead of X's and O's. So you can set that up if you want for pediatric or other reasons. But let's go back to the standard audiogram. I can also use this screen to animate the audiograms. And what that means is, well, let's just click the button and show you what I mean. This can be used as a tool to show the patient how their hearing has changed over the years. In this case, it's cycling through all 7 audiograms in a pseudo animation to show them why they probably need to get more powerful hearing instruments or whatever your decision is for them. You can also use the wheel on your mouse to click up here. I said wheel on your mouse, I'm sorry, the pointer here to click back and forth here, and that will cycle through the various screens slowly if you don't want to use the animated part there. You can also show this ear anatomy image, and this just explains perhaps a little bit about an outer, middle, or inner ear loss. And again, it's just a counseling tool. To get back, we're going to click the display button here. And then down here, I can change this audiogram. Right now, it's kind of a clear white there. I can change it to a gradient, which might motivate the patient to see that, yes, in fact, their hearing is down in the danger area, or, severe to profound, or whatever it is. So the gradient can be set to none just by clicking that button. The pure tone average for both high frequency and normal are listed right here as well. Now off to the right hand side, we see normal, mild to moderate, etc. We don't want to tell you that those have to stay there. You can modify them as needed, and you can change the color of them. I've just kind of colorized them based on a color formula there. But in order to do that, I'm going to hit Edit Layout here, and then I'm going to get my text tool, and I'm going to select that word. Each of these are individual words or text blocks. I can then right click and go to text color and choose any other color. If you don't like those colors, by all means just change those. And if you don't like their location, well, it's a little bit tough because you can't see the audiogram in this mode, but you can kind of slide it up or down and over or whatever. Just make sure it kind of stays in the right general area, and you can then decide what you think normal, mild, and moderate is. So I'm going to go back into browse mode, exit the layout here. So that's something that you can change right there. And I believe that that's the only choices. I can't remember what this button does. Oh, that will hide or show information in case you want to make it a simpler looking audiogram for the patient. Maybe you don't want to show bone conduction, for example. So again, this area can be used as a counseling tool, and hopefully it'll work for you. Thanks for watching.